Hello all, welcome to my channel Tech Research, and in today's video I am going to show you a very unique platform, that is Unsplash, which is very helpful to download and use beautiful photos for your YouTube thumbnails or Medium or anywhere if you want to post them and use them. So let's see practically what are all there on Splash and how you can use the photos online for your different purposes. So just write on internet Unsplash and click on the first link. So this is the homepage of Unsplash, and as you can see, it says photos for everyone and it is absolutely free. There are different pictures related to different theme and design which are uploaded by the user. So you can just refer to which type of photo you're aiming for, and then you can download the photo from there and use it absolutely for free. The good thing is that it provides free usable images and you can use without any copyright content anywhere. I use this platform many a times to upload and find the images for my Medium blogs or for my YouTube thumbnails. So let's, for example, join for free. You can either log in by creating your own account or you can also join for free. So let's explore join for free option. So you can just join here using your Facebook, or you can log in and create your ID and password. I already have the login details, so just log in. So once you have logged in your account, I'll show you view your profile. So these are some of the photos even which I uploaded just for a contribution, and you can get easily how many views are there, how many likes are there for each photo, and how many people downloaded. So when you'll see on stats, when you'll click on stats, you can see this is my profile for this month of June, and you can create for profile. And even you can, if you are looking for photography options, especially as a professional career, you can just update availability over here, and you will see you will get contracts from the different kind of people for different assignments. So let's see how we can select a photo. For example, if I want to select photo for travel, like you can see now there are different photos. Look at this wonderful images what you have here, and so clear, high resolution images. You can download any one of them easily and use them wherever you wish. For example, if we want to aiming to target this one, just click here on download, and as you can see it is getting downloaded. You can even tell the person thanks on different communities, and you can just use this image wherever you wish. Can you see the beautiful photo what we have here? You can use these photos wherever you wish, either in your blogs or like YouTube thumbnails, wherever you are targeting, and it provides many categories. It is related to current events, business work, fashion, film, health and wellness. There are so many. You will definitely find a perfect pick for what you are targeting at, and you can use it. And you can also be a part of it by submitting a photo from this. Like you can just select the photos of what you wish to submit, and if it is get approved from Splash, and then it will be on the website, and people again use it for different ways, use them. So in this way, can you see there are different topics in that, and this is very amazing website. I just love using this website for images and for downloading images which are very high resolution and free. I hope you enjoy featuring this website, and comment me down how it helped you. Thanks for watching. Before leaving, please subscribe to my channel Tech Research for updated notifications. See you in next video. Till then, take care. Goodbye.